Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video and a giveaway for some of these things here. These are called Fatstraps. They're actually made by a gentleman called Stephen in the USA. And Stephen very kindly sent me an email saying, look, I've learnt loads from my videos. I make these straps. Can I do you a couple of custom versions to say thank you? And he's done me one for my HDO2s, the FatShark goggles. He's also done me one that I've popped on my DJI goggles as well. If you go on his website, there's loads and loads of different designs. And you can then, when you pick the one you want, decide whether you want to order it in either the DJI or the FatShark setup, and I'll show you the difference in a moment. I've had them for a couple of days now and I am really impressed. They're really comfy. A couple of cool things about the FatShark one in particular. You'll notice that the strap is much thicker. The normal FatShark strap is about as thick as the piece that connects into the side of the goggles. Hopefully you can see that. And you might have the same problem that I have, where over time it gets looser and looser, and it also kind of slips down the back of your head, particularly if you're like me, that has very short hair. It just kind of moves around. I did try another strap. I tried the Armatan one that has the pad at the back, but that had kind of the same thing. It still kind of slips around your head. This much thicker, stronger elastic with a much better adapter at the side is really neat. But the thing I really love about it is the fact that the pocket for the battery is here in the right place, but he's put a little thing at the bottom so the battery doesn't fall out. And that used to really bug me as well. Occasionally I'd do the thing where I hand launch a plane or something, and then I pull my goggles down and I pull too hard, it would open the pocket slightly and the battery would fall through. In fact, I have a 3D printable part that's available on Thingiverse that goes into that pocket to try and stop that from happening. But with this, I don't have to worry about that at all. That battery is going nowhere. So in addition to sending me my two custom straps, and again, thank you, Stephen, for that, it was really generous, he's also in the bag put two extra ones as well. And those are the ones, the design that has his logo everywhere on it. And I've got one for FatShark and I've got one for DJI. But I'm not going to use them. I already have my custom logoed ones. So I've checked with Stephen, he's okay for me to do this. I'm going to do a giveaway. So to enter the giveaway, it's going to be standard stuff. It's going to be subscribe, like and comment the video as normal. In your comment though, include the word FatShark if you want to be in the draw for the FatShark strap, and include the word DJI, surprise, surprise, if you want to be included for the DJI strap. I'll probably pull these in about 5 or 6 days time. Pop your comments down below, but I'd recommend, if you're interested in getting a really comfortable strap that fits a lot better and that also gets rid of that top strap for your DJI goggles so you don't look like you're wearing a gas mask, then these are very impressive. So thank you again, Stephen, and good luck to everyone that enters the draw. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.